Hi, I'm back again with my new latest video on a new topic. Welcome to EduQuest by Janvi Doshi. Nutrition and diet. Where does our body get energy from? Of course, food. But with food, our body also gets energy from the water we drink. Food contains important nutrients which help the human body to function normally and keeps it fit. Nutrients and foodstuff. There are 6 types of nutrients, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fibers, vitamins, minerals, and another one is also water. The energy giving nutrient carbohydrate. Now, our main need of energy gets fulfilled by the carbohydrates that we eat. We include a large portion of cereals in our diet, namely wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra. These are also called as cereals. Cereals are also a staple food. Another energy giving nutrient is fats. Fatty food and fatty substances such as oil, ghee and butter give us fats. We get the energy in the form of heat from the food that we eat. Energy in the food is measured in the form of kilocalories, and children of growing age need at least 2000 to 2500 calories of the food that they're going to consume. Energy giving nutrients, proteins. We need proteins for the purpose of growth, repairing the wear and tear of the body, and for other life processes. We get proteins from sprouts, milk and milk products, meat, and eggs in our food. Minerals and vitamins. To improve the body's resistance to disease and for other life processes, our body needs vitamins, minerals, and fibers in the diet, even though we need it in the minuscule quantities. We obtain these nutrients from vegetables and fruits. We require these vitamins and minerals in small quantities. Their deficiencies can lead to various diseases. The body needs several inorganic substances, and these are also called as minerals. Now let's see some important minerals. Iron. What is the function of iron in our body? It carries oxygen to all the part of our body. The food that are rich in iron are meat, spinach, apples, and raisins. The deficiency of iron can cause anemia. The second mineral is calcium and phosphorus. These minerals strengthen our bones and teeth. Milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables, and meat help us in gaining calcium and phosphorus in our body. If we do not have enough calcium and phosphorus in our body, we have bad teeth, which are brittle or weak bones. The next mineral is iodine. Iodine controls the growth, speeds up chemical reactions in the body. The richest source of iodine is the beans, fish, and the seafood. The deficiency of iodine can cause goiter. Sodium and potassium also serves as an important mineral in our body, as they maintain the body's water balance and functioning of the muscles and the nervous system. The sources from which we get sodium and potassium is mainly salt, cheese, leafy vegetables, fruits, and pulses. Deficiency of sodium and potassium in our body can cause inefficiency of muscles, which can lead to fatigue. Vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are namely vitamin B and vitamin C. A regular supply of these vitamins is essential as they are thrown out of the body in the form of sweat and urine. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin A are fat-soluble vitamins. These are also called as water-insoluble vitamins. Vitamin A. Vitamin A protects eyes and skin. We get this from carrots, dark green vegetables, and sweet potatoes. The deficiency of this vitamin causes night blindness. Vitamin B. It helps in proper function of heart and nerves and also helps in the formation of red blood cells. We get this from milk, milk products, meat, green leafy vegetables. The deficiency of this vitamin can cause beriberi and anemia. Vitamin C. This protects our gums, teeth, bone and skin. Amla, citrus fruits, cabbage and tomatoes serve as a rich source of vitamin C. Deficiency of this causes scurvy. Vitamin D absorbs calcium and phosphorus and provides healthy bones. Sunlight, milk, fish and eggs are a rich source of vitamin D. Deficiency of this causes rickets. Vitamin E. Vitamin E provides smooth functioning inside the cells, metabolism and reproduction in our body. Vegetable oils, tender leaves, wheat germ are rich sources of vitamin E. Deficiency of this vitamin causes weak muscles, skin disease and malfunctioning of the reproductive system. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. Green leafy vegetables, broccoli, yellow eggs are rich source of vitamin K. Excessive bleeding from wounds is caused due to deficiency of this vitamin. A balanced diet. One should always have a balanced diet. Even though we have carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, each should be consumed in their proper proportion. To build a strong and healthy body, you need all the nutrients in the right proportion and in sufficient quantities in your daily lives. Apart from having a balanced diet, we also need to exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Why should one have a balanced diet? What are its benefits? An increased capacity to work, good physical and mental health, increased capacity to fight and resist diseases, helps in growth of proper body. Hence, a balanced diet is something that one must always follow. Let's revise. 4 nutrients are of varied types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Vitamins are further divided into 2 categories, namely water-soluble vitamins, which are vitamins B and vitamin C, fat-soluble vitamins, which are A, D, E and K. Carbohydrates. We get carbohydrates from cereals, rice, wheat and maize. Carbohydrates are main energy sources. The next one is proteins. Milk, milk products, meat and eggs give us proteins. These are the building blocks of our body. Fats is obtained by oil, ghee, butter. These also provide us energy. Vitamins we get from citrus fruits, green leafy vegetables, and these are important for body functions. We obtain minerals from raisins, meat and seafood. We also obtain them from vegetables, and their important functions in the body require minerals. Let's do a quick assignment. Join my class on Wiser.me and avail this. The link is there in the description box below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.